Hi everyone, in this particular video I'm going to show you how to apply prints on the costume. So let's go through it. Generally, as a beginner, as a fresher, when we start applying prints on the costume or any sort of dress, we mostly do like we take the prints, we copy it and then we paste it over here, and then after that we start adjusting from all different perspectives to make it aligned so that it should fall on garment. But no, this is wrong process. I will not suggest this way. So let's get started and learn within 5 minutes how to apply prints on the costume like a mock-up. So first of all, we will go to selection tool. Once you will click the selection tool, you will find over here select people. Click on select people. It will start detecting whatever is there. Click on the face, then you will find here all the details what exactly you want to select. I want to select dress. I will just click on dress, and then after that automatically it will select all the dress costume, and from here we will apply. So now you can see my selection is done. So at the same time we will make a copy with the help of pressing Ctrl J, duplicate layer, and then again Ctrl J. I will press 2 times Ctrl J for this. So let's do it. This is my layer which is selected, and Ctrl J and Ctrl J. So here you can see I got my 2 copy. Alright, so once my copy is done, then we will go to filter, and from here we will go to blur, and then from blur we will go to Gaussian blur, and we will set the number to 3.0 and click OK. So now we have to save the displaced copy of this particular image. So for that we have to press Ctrl Shift S. Once you will press Ctrl Shift S, then you can give here some name like displace. Spelling will be D-I-S, displace design. I'm just giving a random name, and then just will save it in a folder, save, and then click OK. So once it is done, then we will delete this particular selected layer, and now as of now this particular layer is here. Now we will go to my print. I will just copy it, and now we'll paste it over here, and then just select this particular layer, and from the move tool let's increase the size of the print as per our requirement. We'll cover it fully, let's say this much. Okay, fine. Now we'll right click at the layer and then create clip masking. As of now you can see like this is applied. Now again we will go to filter, and from filter we'll go to distort, and from distort we'll go to displace. Once we'll go to displace, then here we will just click on OK. Then we will open this particular folder where we have saved the displace design. Now just apply it. Once you will apply, then after that you can come to this particular properties settings, blending option mode, where you can come to normal. Then from here you can apply on various things. I will go to with multiply. So once we went to multiply, then you can see my designs are falling according to the drape of the garment. And now apart from that we can go to our blending options, and now from blending options we will get this particular options to edit it. So once you will come to this particular section, hold Alt and then press this particular option, and then you can move it as per your requirement. You can see it's getting darker and it's getting lighter. So it depends upon your requirement how you want to make it. So this is done, and that's all. So you can see the difference. Earlier it was completely white dress, and after applying the print we can see here the result, and you can see how my print is falling as per the fold of the costume. So that's all for the day. Keep learning, keep watching.